Download these apps below in the links. I'm making this video today because you need money, everyone needs money, I need money. Download the links already. So we got like Robinhood, right? This is what Robinhood is. Robinhood is oh, look at my hair, it's so fucked up. Robinhood is it's trading. That one's easy. You put $1 in Facebook and hold on to it forever. You don't have to buy a full share. The other thing is SoFi. Now listen, there's like no fees when you do this. When you put $1 in Facebook, there's no fees. When you put $1 in Amazon, there's no fees. You could put more than that, but Google is at like $2,000 a share, so maybe you don't have $2,000, so if you put like 20 in there, you know. But if you understand math, you too can do Robinhood and SoFi. There's Coinbase as well. Now in Robinhood and SoFi, you can also buy crypto. So you can just collect all this stuff. The market's down, so you can just collect everything. But you can do it as a poor person. You don't have to do it as a rich person now. You can be poor and invest in stocks $1 a week. So I highly recommend you click the links below. GoshDarnBlog.com is where it's at. Medium.com/GoshDarnBlog. DJCola.net. SoccerZombie.com. We don't stop.